Sanibonani bafethu. Ngifuna nje sike silalele lama voice note akade edlalwa kuMadlanga Commission Friday. So wabeka nje part by part sike sizwe kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani before kuqala iveki. Because I believe ukuthi uDina Gavenda uzophinda abuye futhi kuMadlanga Commission. And ngibo umuntu ohalelayo ukuthi sike sibheke because ukhumbula kwivideo engeke ngayenza Friday ngeke ngaveza ukuthi kule voice note kukhulunywa ngo-number 1 of the country, and le ndoda mayikhuluma ithi kuDina Gavenda, mfowethu into esiyifuna kuwe i1, sifuna ukuthi ufake umkhwanazi ngaphansi kwebhasi, okusho ukuthi qamba amanga ngomkhwanazi, usho noma ngayini nje ezokwenza abantu bengasamthembi umkhwanazi. Because if uyabheka la abantu aba-against umkhwanazi abaphiki insolo, instead bafuna ukuthi bengcolise igama likaMkhwanazi ukuze naye abe part of abantu abangathenjwa emphakathini. So that's why becela uDina Gavenda ukuthi makamfake ngaphansi kwebhasi, athi nje abasho ukuthi makathi ucorrupt. Into abayifuna nje ukuthi makasho ukuthi ngesikhathi kubulawa abantu uMkhwanazi wayikhipha inamba esho ukuthi makubulawa igebengu singalokho ezifakwa ejele. And if uyayibheka nawe lento le, uma ngathiwa bayipheka ngendlela abayimisele ngayo, ingagcina imfanela uMkhwanazi, because every time kubulawa igebengu eKZN sihlale sibonga uMkhwanazi sithi awu cha uyasebenza uMkhwanazi. So and manje if uyanothisa baningi abantu aba-against uMkhwanazi, osomabhizinisi abathile ba-against uMkhwanazi, ama-politician athile against uMkhwanazi, namaphoyisa futhi against uMkhwanazi. Uyakhumbula ukuthi i-IPD ithe bayikhuluma lapha kuMadlanga Commission, uvele kwacaca nje sakhuluma kuqala laphayana uJohn Barnabas ukuthi akamfuni nje sidala uMkhwanazi. So uma ulalela kule VN ngizoyifaka nje mangiqeda nje ukuyi-explaina ukuthi isho ukuthini, so that nawe ukwazi ukuthi uzilalelele ube nendlela oyibona ngayo. Uthi ucela afake uMkhwanazi ngaphansi kwebhasi, and uma emfaka ngaphansi kwebhasi uyabuza uGavenda ukuthi njengoba uthi ufuna sidibane uzobe ungisaphi. Ithi le ndoda ekhuluma ngale ngizokuthatha ngikuse ku-number 1 of the country. Now umbuzo omkhulu uthi ke manje u-number 1 of the country ngibani? Ngabe uPresident Ramaphosa? Because ngesilungu nje esilula u-number 1 sibize ukuthi upresident. Or kungenzeka ukuthi le ndoda ibithusa uGavenda ngegama lika Ramaphosa, because okunye okutricky la ukuthi igama lika Ramaphosa libizwanga, kuvele kwathiwa sizokusa kwi-meeting no number 1 we-country. La nizohlala khona ngeke kube khona imedia, ngeke kube khona ini, nizohlala nje noyi2 nikhulume, mhlambe kula zofike befike khona bempromise ukuthi okay now that uvuma ukuthi ufaka uMkhwanazi ngaphansi, sizokwenzela kanje thina, sizokwenzela so. Uyachaza lapha ukuthi yini azomenzela yona, but ngizokuchazela nje after kundlula le video, mase kundlula le voice note esizayimamela soyi2. So i-tricky la ukuthi asazi ukuthi usebenzisa le gama lika number 1 ukuthusela uGavenda, or usebenzisa le gama lika number 1 because ngempela unayo connection with number 1, or unless ke yena uzophinda shintshe ukuze avikele abantu abathile, asho ukuthi cha unumber 1 kule case akuyena upresident, but kwigroup yethu singabantu abathile unumber 1 ngumuntu kanje, or ngusibani simbiza ngokuthi unumber 1. Ngifuna ulalela nje le VN uyizwele nawe bemcela ukuthi makafake uGeneral uMkhwanazi ngaphansi ukuze bekwazi ukuthi kwenzeke lamadili abawafunayo.
You put them under the bus, you're gonna come free. But if you don't put them the bus, they will make you suffer, and you're going to stay for your life in jail.
Yeah, I can see the pushing in that angle there. The pushing very hard.
I don't know what you say in your mind, but think twice. I know you're gonna come out of this if you think properly. I know you're a little bit confused because this storm just come from nowhere. You understand?
Yeah.
But if someone is in the storm, you can't leave him alone. We are here for you.
Yeah, you're my brother, you. But tell me something now. I'm just asking you. So where are you going to take me if I go? Or where about we going to?
I think on my option, on my side, because I have the connections on direct to number 1 of the country. I think number 1 of the country must take you and sit down with you without telling anyone.
Yeah.
Please.
Now uyabona mawusu ilalele le voice note, uyabona ukuthi ikhona lento abamthembisa yona ukuthi if uzohlala number 1 of the country nizozikhulumela nje nodwa. Kunento aphinda ikhuluma la mawuqhubeka ulalela le voice note, ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi phela iKZN isafe ngenxa yakho Mr Dina Gavenda. uyabona umdlala ngomqondo ufuna ukumfaka uphoyizini engqondweni yokuthi agcine ekhompyutha nomkhwanazi, agcine efika kule nto yokuthi abantu bacompliment umkhwanazi kodwa wuwe osegroundini osebenzayo. Kodwa makubulawa igebengu umkhwanazi othola ukunconywa, kodwa makutholakala ukuthi igebengu zife ngendlela engekho right wuwe othola ukushisa. So into better ukuthi kungcono wena ufake umkhwanazi ngaphansi athathe yonke lento enokushisa phakathi. So uyabona inhloso lana akubona ukuthi kudala, uyabonakala ukuthi kudala bekhangela into wrong ngomkhwanazi, and kuyabonakala ukuthi indoda ephila iqiniso because by now bekumele bayitholile kuze kwalento nje ukuthi on Friday nge-21 August 2026 basacinga umuntu onofika khulume something different kwimadlanga. Kusho khona ukuthi ayikho into abayitholayo ngomkhwanazi, kunzima because if ibikhona ngase kudola bemtholile umuntu owazi into ethile ayiphushe ngaphambili. So uyabona nalana ukuthi uthi uwe owenze iKZN yaba safe not umkhwanazi. So umfaka le poison yokuthi abone umkhwanazi ezifi enemy umuntu omdlela udumo lwakhe. Uyabona nje mawufunda ezinye incwadi kuthiwa noSathane wawa kanjalo vele ezulwini noThixo because wathola ama-compliment amaningi. Ukwabona lama compliment lokunconywa okurong okukwenza ugcina uzibona ngathi ubetter than umaster wakho, lokunconywa okwenza ugcina ubona ukuthi ngcono uzenzela into yakho. Ukubone manje abantu abaningi wangaphatheka kahle noma ngabe kuphi esontweni kuseteamini or kuphi wangaphatheka kahle, instead of ukuthi azihambilishe ufuna ukuhamba uyovula into yakhe enze le ntando. Uyabona nje kuma politics kwenzakalani, umuntu angaphatheka kahle uvele uvula i-political party yakhe. So uyabona la utshala le ngqondo ukuthi abona umkhwanazi ezisitha ukuze mayefika kumadlanga commission efike esecula nje into ezirong ngomkhwanazi nje kuphela.
Is because everyone knows you were doing good job in KZN. You're doing good job in KZN. Everyone is happy now because of you put your life under on the line because of to save people, right? Community. So the other stuff there, but it's gonna. But please, let's meet tomorrow so that you can facilitate this thing. You understand?
Yeah, no, but what they're gonna ask me what I must do? I don't know what I must do.
No, let's talk it tomorrow, Canada. I'm with you. You're gonna come out, but as long as because.
Uyabona ke ngoku kule part engizoyidlala usemvezela into. Ukhumbula ukuthi lana kukhuluma umuntu oyiphoyisa nomuntu ongelona iphoyisa, because uDina Govender uyiphoyisa but indlela ekhuluma ngayo le ndoda ikhuluma as yona seyazi nangalo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi kuDina Govender phela uma ungamfaka umkhwanazi ngaphansi kwebhasi nakho kuzokwenzeka, and into oqala into ezokwenzeka is that uzozithola ukuthi manje because abantu uma sibala abantu abashonile since 2023 to 2026 abafe ezandleni zamaphoyisa nje ba 172, okusho ukuthi sizokubalela icase one by one ukuthi umuntu oyedwa 25 years, umuntu oyedwa 25 years, you can imagine abantu aba 172 ukuthi o 25 years abangakanani. Okusho ukuthi umnikeza the ultimate prize ke manje ukuthi Mr Dina Govender, if awuyivumi le deal le ngeke uyithole ngisho ibail uma usikuthatha sikuvalela. Kukhuluma umuntu ongalona iphoyisa, kukhuluma umuntu uDina Govender ambiza ngokuthi ubusinessman, umuntu nje ozwana no senzo mchunu kakhulu. So umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi manje waze lapho ukuthi ekhambeni kwalama cases, because lama cases kumele aqala ecourt uma kuthiwa vele iIPD ithola okuthile, of which nayo iIPD already siyaxoxisa into yayo because sebabonisile ukuthi nabo sebathatha iside elithile kuyo yonke le story le. So if yenza research yayo, yenza investigation yayo, kuzomela yonke lento lephinde ibuyele ecourt. La ecourt kumele kutrialwe khona kubonakala ukuthi athathe ngubani onephutha, ngabe uDina Govender or amaphoyisa ayedubula okanjani. So the fact that already usedecide ukuthi amtshela ukuthi uzogwetshwa 25 years for umuntu oyedwa iyaxoxisa. Okusho ukuthi since 2023 kubulawa kwabantu abasolwa njengokuthi bayigebengu i-fault kaDina Govender. Okusho ukuthi umfakela ukwesaba enhlizweni yakhe ukuthi because yonke lento yenzeka nje i-Thursday na Friday ngo-12 uDina Govender kumele ngabe uthatha isihlalo kwimadlanga commission. La madoda amfakela le pressure ukuthi, and uyabona ukuthi bamthole bebenanto ukuthi sifuna ukumfakela i-pressure to a point yokuthi angacabangi, because uyabona ukuthi bayamsabisa la ukuthi yonke lento izoza kuwe, umuntu ozoba responsible for lama cases lawa if thiwa awufaki ngaphansi lo muntu esithi mfake ngaphansi. And uyazi enye into interesting lana ukuthi if ulalela le voice yale ndoda isanda nse ne voice ka Cedric Kabinde lo kade sebenzela usenzo mchunu, afana nse. Ngikola lo ngilalela nje benginento ethi hayi kusho ukuthi lona kahle kahle ngunkabinde but usebizwa ngoMavuso mhlawumbe nickname yakhe but ke ushilo uDina Governor ukuthi cha akuyena unkabinde lo I mean uchilo ukuthi uMavuso lo umuntu nje amaziyo okusho ukuthi akuyena uCedric Nkabinde because bekazosho ukuthi cha umuntu osebenza emaphoyiseni lo kanjani njani.
Let's talk it tomorrow, Colonel. I'm with you. You're gonna come out, but as long as because now, Colonel, you can't suffer alone. You understand the point?
You know, it's so unfair what they're doing to me. You can see what they're doing.
Yeah, it's unfair because this case is Colonel, they're 172.
Yeah.
So 172, each case is life sentence. Each case is life sentence.
I know.
So they're gonna make you serve, and they're gonna block the bail for you, or even the whatever. But you can't go alone because we know who you are.
Yeah.
You understand? KZN has got a peace right now because of you.
Yeah.
Yes. So you mustn't just treat you like you are like anyone. You understand my point?
You know, I've never done anyone anything. And you know what? Everything I will help people. But for what they're doing now and trying to set me up is...
Yabona ekugcineni kwale video le ndoda uMavuso ekukhulunywa nayo la uNtandane Mavuso uveza into ethi because uyabuza uGovernor ukuthi ngobani pho labantu abafuna mina nomkhwanazi kangaka especially mina because ngumuntu right uyazisho.
I know it's coming from McBride. So who else, Baba? It's right on top. Maybe it's bigger people.
It's a bigger people, business people, politicians, drug dealers, all of them.
But they're after Nkonazi. Why are they fighting with me?
Actually, they say all these things you are not doing it for your own instruction.
Yeah,
you understand?
But what I'm saying, why are they fighting with me? I never do nothing.
See tomorrow what time you're gonna be free because I need you to see agent.
And ingenza interested le part yama drug dealers ukuthi umuntu oyi-businessman o-closer to uSenzo Mchunu unesibindi sokuthi afonele iphoyisa atshele iphoyisa elikhulu njengoGovernor alitshela ukuthi njengoba sithi faka phansi umkhwanazi it's because silwela interest yama drug dealers. Umuntu onjani lo uyabona ngifike la khona ngithi kuyadingeka ukuthi iMadlanga Commission imbize uMavuso akazochaza ukuthi usho ukuthini imakathi makufaka umkhwanazi ngaphansi ukuze kutholakale ama-drug dealers athole lento ayifunayo. I understand yama politician, I understand abanye abantu ukuthi mhlambe into zasemsebenzini o batholakale belahlile iyenzeka, but this part yokuthi obani laba abafuna sifaka umkhwanazi ngaphansi and kuthunywe yena phela because uye lo facilitator yonke lento le uye olwela ukuthi makuditshanwe ukuze kufake umkhwanazi ngaphansi. South African elwela ukuthi kufakwe umuntu olwa nama drugs ngaphansi because abantu bama drugs abekho happy. For me it doesn't make sense, and I feel ukuthi as a South Africa siyadinga ukuthi simbone lo mfo. Siyadinga ukuthi simbone lo mfo kuke kukhulunywe naye akavele nje kuMadlanga Commission achaze kahle ukuthi obani ama drug dealers angekho happy afuna umkhwanazi ashone ngaphansi. Obani lamaphoyisa awathunyiwe ubani number 1. Obani bonke labantu ababalayo ukuthi abekho happy because of yonke lento enziwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi namaphoyisa aseKZN. If soba nabantu abale phezulu abangama-business abazibizwa abangama-businessmen but ba-advocate ukuthi ama-drugs mawaqhubeka aphushwe eSouth Africa. Uyazi sometimes umuntu uba disappointed because ekugcineni labantu abenza yonke lento lantu abadala. Abantu ongathi uhlala nabo phansi nje sithi asokubopha sifuna nje uku-understanda ukuthi what is your plan nama-drugs? Like iplan yakhe ithini? Are you saying ake sithi nje mhlambe siyabasusa abantu abanjengoGeneral Mkhwanazi? Ufuna kube njani la eSouth Africa? Ufuna siyeke eSouth Africa ibe nje kwamazingenela kuza ama-drugs aseBrazil awase-Mexico all over the world afike apha eSouth Africa into ifunayo kahle kahle. Until okusho ukuthi phela uma kanti wasiya ngaleyo ndlela leyo that means iSouth Africa sozilast even 100 years ikhona as a country abantu bayofa bonke bedliwa ama-drugs. Uyazi kwa criminology kunalento ekuthiwa uyakwazi ukuthi ubanjwe inkunzi because uzenze i-target wena. So I understand lento ukuthi bafuna ama-drugs abe phambi kwabantu baqonda ukuthini. Uyazi when you study criminology, the study of crime, nabantu abajule nje kakhulu kwi-crime, kunenye indoda la ekuthiwa uRonald Akers wenza i-research ekuthiwa i-social learning theory. Lento yokuthi ngifuna nje ukuyisummarize angaze ngijule kakhulu igcina confuse abantu isisusa kwi-point. Lento yokuthi uma into inormalizwa kuyakwazi ukuthi we-point yokuthi abanye abantu bazoyi-observe leyo nto leyo. Ake ngikwenze example njalo baba nje uthi ufuna ukulwela ama-drug dealers kule voice note. Ake sithi sisusa abantu abanjengomkhwanazi ke ngoku siyabasusa nje sibabeke eceleni. Uyabona uma usuyibuka okusho ukuthi abanye abantu kuzofika to a point where you find ukuthi ama-drugs aba yi-fashion because abanye bazo-observe abanye bebuka ukuthi okay kahle kahle into yama-drugs yenzeka kanje. Uthi ukhuluma nomuntu umbone lively happy kanti udla ama-drugs. Uyabona nje if uyabheka utshwala nogwayi zizinto ezenze zangena ku-fashion because of le nto ayi-explainayo uRonald Akers ukuthi into uma yenziwa ngabanye abantu kuba yi-social learning behavior, uyayifunda into because yenziwa ngabanye abantu. That means if ibingekho ubungeke uyifunde leyo nto leyo. So the fact that lamadoda afuna umkhwanazi ukuthi akhishwe ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi ama-drug dealers aqhubeka aphile kamnandi, umsangano lo. Uyabona kukhona enye into pha kwa criminology ekuthiwa i-routine activity theory by omunye umjiti ekuthiwa uLawrence Cohen. Uthi uma kungekho lento ekuthiwa i-guardian, umuntu ozogada umphakathi, i-chances zama-drugs or ubugebengu ziba ningi kakhulu. Uyabona nje e-KZN uzothola ukuthi kukhona ubugebengu obungenzeki khona. Uyabona nje if uyabheka ubugebengu base-Cape Flats e-Cape Town nobugebengu base-KZN abufani because of leadership ekhona, lento ekuthiwa i-guardianship ekhona lapha phezulu. So you can imagine isimo la khona kususwa umkhwanazi kufaka omunye umuntu abamfunayo lo ozovumela ubugebengu abafuna ukuthi benzeke. Okusho ukuthi nomuntu ade ngasoze life yakhe athinta ama-drugs angagcine wathintile ama-drugs just because ayikho lento elokhu iveza la ngqondweni ukuthi ku-wrong kwenza ukuthi if ama-drugs azoba accessible to wonke umuntu emphakathini. But ke ngingaze ngibe emotional, iyangicaphukisa le ndoda encourage ukuthi ikhulumela abantu ama-drug dealers ukuthi abekho happy ngani. I-point yami nje yokugcina ngifuna nje ukudlalela i-voice note ka-Cedric, not i-voice note, i-video ka-Cedric Nkabinde la ayekhuluma khona ukuthi yena nomkhwanazi bayazwana baye emngcwabeni bebonke yonke lento le. And ke kuyabona ngathi wayeqinisile uCedric, but nje ngifuna uzwe le voice between lama voice note oqeda kwalalela ne-voice ka-Cedric Nkabinde. That's why bengicabanga ukuthi uCedric Nkabinde lo khuluma la, but ke kuyabona ukuthi akusuye okhuluma ukufana nje kwama-voice ebantwini nendlela akhuluma ngayo yonke lento le.
So when I arrived, General Mkhwanazi drove with me in my car during that funeral processes to the hall, to the funeral service, to the cemetery, just two of us, whereby a lot of police management, they were also there to support him. He even left his driver and he drove with me in my car, just two of us. As a result, even other police were saying, hey, are you close to this man? I said, yeah, no, this is my brother. Then, so you will understand, Chair, I'm at your funeral. And people supporting you, but you are driving in my car, just two of us. You're having a driver, you're having bodyguards, and you even left them. That no, drive with Cedric. So that's a sign of how we close. And a second example, just to show how close we are. General Mkhwanazi wanted to build a house in his homestead at Impendle, KZN. He came to me to help him to design that house. We designed that house for him. So a private home with the security features, you can only design that thing with a person very close to you. And over and above that, the architecture to draw a design and a plan of that house, I'm the one who recommended. He used my architect to design that house. So I'm trying to show that, and there's a person who come often